All right. Let's react to 4 high potential stocks to turn 1,000 into 1 million by Charlie from ZipTrader.
Today's video, we are going to break down 4 high potential stocks to turn $1,000 into $1 million. Now, in order to have the highest chance of achieving that goal, we need a combination of great companies with profitable scaling and proven business models. And they need to be in a hyper growth sector. And we need to play them with a strategy, getting a good deal, getting in early, and or utilizing options to leverage your dollars. We are right now in a raging bull market, which means time spans can be sped up quite a lot. There's massive buy orders coming in Q1 of 2025, in addition to all the mega buy orders that are going to come with all those trillions of dollars inside buying cash. All of this is firepower which will be deployed largely in the equity market. We also have a change in administration, rapid technological development, and easing monetary policy, aka interest rates that are getting easier. Right now is the time to follow the 3 Gs. Buy great companies at great prices with a great strategy. So anyways, in today's video, we're going to break down top 4 stocks that you need to have on your radar if you want to turn $1,000 into $1 million. We're going to break down great prices for each of them.
All right, let's see what he says. This guy used to be a penny stock trader, and now he's trying to teach you options. I guess the day trading didn't work out for him.
Strategy to deploy, and we're going to break down some things to keep in mind. And as always, if you're the one taking the risk, you got to be the one doing the ultimate frisk. Never get frisky without thinking about your risky, and vice versa.
It's weird with that microphone. I don't know why he's holding it like that. Let's see what he says.
Okay, number 4, PayPal, PYPL. So PayPal right now is 70% off its highs. In today's market...
Yeah, PayPal, not a bad company. It took a major dive in 2022, I think in late January, around January 27th or January 28th of 2022, it fell from about 175 or 185 all the way down to about 130 or 135 in one day after it reported earnings. And then since that time, it fell below $60. I think it was trading in the 50s, and now it's currently trading at about $85 to $90. It's not bad. I don't think it's going to be high growth. PayPal has been around for over 20 years. So for him to claim that you're going to 1,000x your money on PayPal is just completely unrealistic, considering that I think PayPal at one time had a market cap of over $300 billion, and now it has a market cap of about $87 billion. So that's definitely not going to 1,000x. But if you want slow and steady, then I guess it's okay. Let's see what the third stock is.
But the second one is also the overall long-term trajectory, because this company genuinely has very, very captivating technology behind it. And so you'll have the trading opportunities with the big rallitos and the dip-roos or the dippy-dipitos, and then back and forth. And you'll also have...
What's he talking about? Is that baby talk?
This is the story of a company that has gone from virtual obscurity a few months ago to being worth a few $1 billion out of basically nowhere.
So RGTI... I actually had a phone call about this company, and then I remember setting up an option trade for the individual who wanted me to look at it. I think it's okay. It's a small cap. It's very, very high risk. It's gone up tremendously over the past few months. I think that as a lottery ticket, or if you want to keep 5% of your portfolio in RGTI, then that's okay. You can play this with options by setting up a call debit spread and then selling some put options, or you can simply go long shares. Personally, I wouldn't touch this, but it is a high-risk, high-reward company that does fit within the premise of this video, where you can turn $1,000 into $1 million.
And I anticipate both a dip and a rally. Now, if you want to play this, you can buy long-dated options to play off the overall uptrend, or you can buy the dip strategically along the way. But overall, here's the picture I see with RGTI. Rigetti isn't just another quantum computing wannabe. They design, build, and deploy quantum chips. All
right. If they have technology that's worthwhile, then they're probably going to end up getting acquired by Google or NVIDIA, in which case the acquirer would pay a premium. So yeah, I don't really have any problems with this stock, besides the fact that I wouldn't touch it simply based upon the high risk. For the second stock,
Bitcoin supercycle continues. Mara has high expenses as compared to, say, MicroStrategy, which makes her an easy short to hedge against Bitcoin bullish positions. But after a while, the truth comes through, and I expect to see a massive squeeze, more short interest to some of the highest in the industry, and it makes absolutely no sense if the Bitcoin supercycle continues to come. So expect a massive squeezy in Mara stock. And remember...
Man, this guy talks like he's a baby. I don't remember that the last time I did a video on him. So with Mara, it's been around for over 10 years. And considering that it still only has a market cap of about $5 billion, I would definitely skip this company because it's already received a lot of hype And considering that Bitcoin has run up and Mara has received a lot of press and it still only has a market cap of about $5.8 billion, I definitely don't think that you're going to 1,000x your money on it, especially considering that its all-time returns are down 67%. Although over 5 years, it's up almost 2,000%. Although over the past year, it's down 27%. But even so, it's too risky and it's definitely not something that I would invest in. All right, let's check out number 4.
It was a buy at nearly every price that the tier of the Palantir.
Okay, so Palantir, I definitely don't think it's going to 1,000x from here, considering that it has a market cap of about $170 billion. If it went up 10 times, then it would be one of the largest companies in the world. So for him to make a video and say that you can turn $1,000 into $1 million and then put Palantir up here, I guess he would come back and say, oh, you can use options to do that. But realistically, it's not feasible, because if you're going to buy those lottery ticket call options, you're much more likely to waste all your money by buying long shot call options that are never going to become in the money than actually get a 1,000x return. Out of all these companies, the only stock on here that even makes sense based upon the premise of the video would be RGTI. And then also considering that he talks to you like you're a baby, I'm really not sure why people watch this guy's videos, but I gave him another chance and I wanted to see what stocks he comes up with. And those are my thoughts. Maybe you disagree. Leave a comment below and watch this video that's coming up on your screen right now, because YouTube believes that you would enjoy it the most.